Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to explain about a project titled Hate News Classification using Machine Learning Algorithm. This project is centered around utilizing the machine learning algorithm for hate news classification by training a random forest classifier on three specific data sets. The objective is to determine the authenticity of news articles by pre-processing the data as performed by the conversion of numeric factors using the TF-IDF algorithm by ensuring the precise and reliable classification. The objective of this project is to create a machine learning system that can classify the hate news accurately. By training a random forest classifier on the diverse dataset and employing the TF-IDF feature generation, that is to actively determine the authenticity of news articles, aiding in the identification and prevention of misconfirmation and misinformation. These are the basic requirements that are needed to build this project. Hardware requirements are operating system as Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, hard disk of 20 GB and above. Software requirement Python IDEL with version of 3.7. These are the modules that are developed to build this project. The first module is Upload Dataset. Using this module, we will upload all the three dataset files to the application. And the second module is Pre-process the dataset. Using this module, we will read all the test data and then remove the stop words and special symbols to make the data sheet clean and transparent for the processing the application. And the third module is TF-IDF feature generation. In this module, we clean the test data by the input to the TF-IDF vector, which will find the average frequency of each one and then build a vector. And the fourth module is Train Machine Learning Algorithm. In this module, the TF-IDF vector will be split into the train and the test, and then random forest will get trained using the training dataset and then calculates its accuracy by applying the testing dataset. And the fifth module is Upload the test news and classification. In this module, we upload the test images and then random forest classifier will predict whether those message is fake or not by training this algorithm. And the final module is Metric Comparison Graph. Using this module, we visualize the graph by the various techniques metrics of the random forest classifier. The execution of the project. To execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. This is the code folder consisting of different files. The model folder consisting of the NPY files where it contains the algorithm information within it. And this information will be uploaded and used at the time of execution of the project. And the test dataset and the train dataset or the Python or the files consisting of the data within it. And the train dataset also consisting of fake and true datasets. And the main is a Python code file and run is a bad file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created an Windows bad file to execute the project. Now to run the project, double click on run.bad file. This is the graphical user interface. With this, we are interacting with the program. First, we need to click on Upload Dataset button. By this, we redirected to this dataset folder consisting of training dataset and testing dataset. And select the training dataset and click on Select Folder button. By this, we get a screen of train dataset is loaded. And then click on Pre-process dataset button. By this, the dataset loading is done and pre-processing of the dataset is done by normalizing the vectors. And click on TF-IDF features generation button. By this, the TF-IDF features are generated on the pre-processed dataset where total news found in the dataset is of 20,000 and total records used for training the machine learning algorithm is 18,000 and the total records used for testing is of 2000. And click on Train Machine Learning Algorithm. button. By this, the random forest model is generated on giving the precision of 99, recall of 99, F-score of 99 and accuracy to 99%. And click on Upload Test News and Classification button. By this, it redirected to the test data set. Here we need to select the test data and click on Open button. By this, we get an graph where the orange pie chart where the orange one represents of the fake news and the blue one represents of the real news percentage within the rectangle. And close this graph. Here we can see that this is the test data, and after the arrow symbol we can classify it as of real news and some of it as not as a fake news. In this way, we can classify the real and fake news by using the machine learning algorithm. And click on metric comparison graph button. By this, we get an graph where x-axis represents the different metric names and the y-axis represents to the value of each metric for this machine learning algorithm. And close this graph. In conclusion, the developed machine learning system utilizing the random forest classifier and TF-IDF feature generation demonstrates the promising result in hate news classification by accurately predicting the authenticity of news articles, and this system can aid in combating the dissemination of fake news and promoting the information integrity in the digital landscape.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.